Have you not been making enough me time? Do you feel like you just haven't been finding a way to make time for yourself? And trust me, I've been there. I used to wear my workaholism like a badge of honor, working 70-hour weeks as a director for a financial services firm, Fortune 100 company. And I was proud and delighted to work those hours. I loved my job. But there was also a certain point where I felt like I was winning by working more and more. And the formula for working longer and longer and longer hours eventually led me to burnout. And by the time that I realized I was burnt out, I was already at stage 3 burnt out. And maybe you didn't even know that there's stages. Yeah, there's stages. And it's not pretty, because the deeper down you go into burnout, then the longer the recovery. So even though I felt I was winning, and I was winning in a way that society approved, I was getting bigger and more important job titles, I was earning more money, I was successful. But at the same time, honestly, as my income grew, I wasn't increasing my happiness. If anything, the more money I earned, the more successful, the longer hours I worked, the less happy I was. Does this sound familiar?